What does washing machine repair cost in 2026? Here's every common repair. Diagnostic fee, $109 at our shop, applied to the repair. Drain pump, $150 to $300. Washer won't drain or has standing water. Lid switch or door lock, $100 to $200. Washer won't start or spin. Drive belt, $100 to $200. Drum won't spin, but motor runs. Water inlet valve, $100 to $200. Washer won't fill or fill slowly. Shock absorbers, $150 to $300. Washer shakes violently during spin. Control board, $200 to $400. Random errors or buttons not responding. Motor, $250 to $450. Transmission, $350 to $600 plus. These usually mean it's time for a new washer. National average is about $250. Most repairs fall between $100 and $500. Front loaders cost slightly more than top loaders. For stacked units, expect a higher diagnostic fee because accessing components takes more labor. Ours is $129 for stacked. We repair every brand: Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, Maytag, GE, Frigidaire, Kenmore, Amana, KitchenAid. Same-day service in Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City, and Hobe Sound. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.